Good morning. My name is Sergeant Pinedo with the Chula Vista Police Homeless Outreach Team. We are out here this morning with several of our county partners to include per clinician, a county nurse, Alpha Project, the Homeless Outreach Team, and members of our drone team. And we are here to provide services to a very vulnerable population who live, as you can see behind us, in areas that are very difficult to get to. The vegetation is very dense, very tricky trails, too many hazards, rocks, limbs, and whatnot that make it very dangerous for the officers, for the county nurses, and for anyone else that works with us to go into these areas. The reason our members of our drone team are here is we are using the drone to cover a large area that makes it very difficult for us to get to. The drone has a mounted speaker, which we are relaying a message to these people living in the canyons to come to our staging location to get services that they need.
This is a public health announcement. This is the Chula Vista Police Department's Homeless Outreach Team working with the county's Health and Human Services public health nurse.
So the services that we are offering today, we brought along with us hygiene kits that were provided by the county. We have boxed meals that were provided by the food bank. We have a county nurse who are making health assessments of these individuals. And we also have per clinicians who can make mental health assessments on these people. So we have a tent set up, and essentially it's a one-stop shop for them to get hygiene kit, food, and their health assessments completed.
This is part of our effort to reach the population and inform them about the threat of the virus and the increased amount of services that we're offering to them on a voluntary basis. We are using the drone to help communicate with this population for the first time ever in Chula Vista.